The 36th volume of biannual multidisciplinary national peer-reviewed bilingual research journal of Manipur University, Lambi, was released today. Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra, officially released the journal during a function organized by Manipuri Department at the Seminar Hall of the Varsity. The function was also attended by Head of Manipuri Department, Professor L. Birjita Devi, Dean of School of Humanities, Professor N. Pramodini Devi, Director of IQAC, Professor A. Rajmani, former VC in charge, Professor S. Sanatombi, and former Dean of School of Humanities, Professor N. Aruna. Speaking at a function, Vice-Chancellor Lokendra underlined the need for translating books into Manipuri language in line with the objectives of NEP 2020 that emphasizes on using the mother tongue as the medium of instruction, further informing that the university is making efforts to translate books for undergraduate and postgraduate into Manipuri language as instructed by UGC. The Vice-Chancellor lauded the role of Manipuri Department in promoting Manipuri language.
What we are saying is that even in the care-listed journal also ultimately do not prove to be following that kind of a very sacred sanctity which is supposed to be done by a good journal. So UGC is now thinking of reviewing this policy. Now they are saying that the screening committee of a university will have external members in every subject, about 3 external members. And these 3 external members should have the mandate as well as the capability to judge the quality of a publication. Whether that publication is published in the form of a book chapter or in the form of a peer-reviewed journal or in any way. UGC is giving the power, and the UGC, as per this draft regulation, UGC is giving the power to the 3 external members to decide the quality of a book in any form, whether it is in the form of a journal article or a book chapter or his or her own publication.